Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a happy birthday song to your video using the InShot app. If you have got a birthday celebration coming up and you want to make your video extra special, you have come to the right place. It's super easy and will make your video perfect for the occasion. So let's get started. Find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video and choose one video that you want to edit. Now that your video is in the timeline, let's add the music. Tap onto the audio button located at the bottom of the screen right here. Then again tap onto the music option. Now let's search for the happy birthday song. Tap onto the search bar and type happy birthday. Now here you can see at the first option it has already come. Now tap on it. Now select the song that you like the most and simply download it and then tap on to use. And after that it will be added to your video timeline. Now that your video is ready, you can share it with the birthday person. And that's it. You have just added a happy birthday song to your video in InShot, making it the perfect birthday celebration video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.